Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming your Ubuntu release and ensuring you have sudo rights. This matters because system paths change across versions. Once done, pick a correctly sized image. 1920x 1080 works for most monitors, and place it in your Pictures folder. Now, open Settings and go to Background. This is the quickest method. If you use GNOME, install GNOME tweaks to access extra options. Make sure to note whether you use Wayland or Zorg. That affects later commands. Next, change the lock screen via Settings if you want a GUI path. Select your image and choose Lock Screen. For more control, use G-Settings or Dconf Editor to edit org. GNOME, Desktop, Screensaver Picture URI and Picture Options. This writes directly to your profile. If you're on Zorg and need a system-wide change, copy images into /usr/share/backgrounds and adjust /etc/alternatives. Make sure to restart the greeter or logout. That forces the display manager to reload the new asset. To finalize, log out or restart the display manager so the lock screen refreshes. Sudo systemctl restart GDM3 on many systems. Note, restarting may end Wayland sessions. If the image fails to appear, make sure the file has readable permissions and that the dconf key uses a proper file, //URI. If problems persist, reset the org. GNOME, Desktop, Screensaver Picture URI, or swap back to a default image in /usr/share.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.